Well, yes, first up, let's talk about Avenue Supermart or D-Mart. The stock is down nearly 3% on the back of weak operational data for the quarter gone by. Revenues have seen an uptick of about 17% on a year-on-year basis, much lower than what the street was working with. Store additions, meanwhile, have also been on the weaker side and hence the stock is declining. In fact, Macquarie has maintained its outperform stance but gone ahead and lowered their target price from 4,450 to 4,350. So on the back of this counter is under pressure today. Meanwhile, let's also talk about PDS Limited. The stock is up nearly 8% the last time I checked, and this after Malabar India bought about 10 lakh shares in the company, which translates to 0.9% equity. The stock is gaining on the back of this news flow. Moto Corp, meanwhile, one of the last companies to come out with their auto sales data for the month of December. Weak auto sales numbers. December sales stood at about 3.94 lakh units versus estimates of about 4.5 lakh units, so much lower than what the street was working with. Weak auto sales is why this counter is also under pressure today. Sterling and Wilson Renewables, meanwhile, on the back of a report that has come in where Nuvama has maintained its buy stance, but they have hiked their target price to 620 from their earlier target price of 454. They say debt concerns are now over. Successful QIP has eliminated debt overhang on the stock. The stock is gaining in trade. Meanwhile, let's also talk about a couple of other operational data. High-tech pipes, for instance, came out with its operational data. Sales volumes have risen by about 8% on a year-on-year basis. Bank of Maharashtra is also gaining in trade. Deposits are up 18%. Advances are up 17% on a year-on-year basis. Both these counters on the back of operational data are buzzing in trade today.